Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're in the Silverstone community right here in Portmore, St. Catherine. We're right off the BRAETON Parkway. This community is right next to some mega constructions as well. So we have two BPOs right here. So it's literally behind them, and we have a mega plaza that's going up as well. So the community is literally behind the G-Tech Park that's currently being developed. So another community drive. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember that subscribing is free as well. So join the family. So grab a seat, put on your seatbelt, and let's take a quick drive through the Silverstone community. Alright, so that's one of the construction going up. So one building is finished and one is going up. So one is a BPO that's already fully booked with a tenant, Ibex Global. So persons call this the Portmore Pines area as well, or the 20 route. In my opinion, it's one of the nicer communities in Portmore as well. So we're just taking a quick drive around the community. And we already know that, so this is a park. Then we have some houses up here. We know, similar to a lot of other places in Portmore, you know, they have done addition to the existing structure, you know, changing it to 2 floors, 3 floors in some instance. So we're in the Silverstone community right in front of Sovereign Village. A developing community. Good location. There's a lot of commercial development in the area as well. So I know the value of these properties are going up both for rent and for sale. So it leads back out to the main road. So right here is a dead end, so you can literally walk out to the main road. Alright, so just taking a drive around. Alright guys, and as usual, if you're watching and you live in Silverstone, just let us know in the comment section. Or if you probably used to live, if you grew up in the community, or even if you have a friend or a family member in the community, just let us know in the comment section. Alright. So again, we're in Portmore, St. Catherine. And as usual, I will not be able to, you know, drive on every single road, show you every single house, but just giving you guys just a quick rundown of the area. Some nice houses on this side as well. You know, one thing I can say though, the houses in Portmore are always very colorful, some bright colors, so they always stand out. This one has a unique color right here. That's some brickwork. So Silverstone, that's where we at. And then some of these roads are cul-de-sac, so they lead into a dead end. So you have one main entrance and exit. Alright, as you see, it leads back out onto the main for pedestrian traffic, for walker-bys. Alright, so there's a basic school down this side as well in the community. They also have, you know, a little recreational park. And a basic school over that side. Alright, so let's go across here, turn, come back, then we go in this final cul-de-sac. And then that's a day. So it's the Silverstone Basic School. So I would say the community is still developing. You have some houses that are, you know, still being worked on. Alright, so we're now gonna take the right turn coming up, which is probably the final cul-de-sac. And then this side leads out to the Portmore Municipal Boulevard. So that's the reason for the dead end to this end. So it's bordered by the Portmore Municipal Boulevard to one end, then BRAETON Parkway to the other end. Alright guys, so as I did mention, it's really just a quick video just highlighting Silverstone. Never recorded this community before, so just wanted to highlight it for you guys. That was really the main purpose of this video. Not a very big community either. And again, if you're familiar with this community right here in Portmore, just let us know in the comment section whether you're living here, used to live here, still living here, grew up here, know somebody that lives here, a co-worker, a friend, a family. Just let us know in the comment section. And as usual, you know, thanks so much for watching. I'm looking out for all the comments. I'm looking out for all the new subscribers that's gonna join the family. Remember, subscribing is completely free. And you know, it's Rush with another community drive. Try to keep the channel very versatile with different contents. So I guess I'll see you guys on another video.